My name is Gautam Singh. I work at Al Jazeera, making documentary films. Ever since I was a little boy in my small village in India, my dream was to make Bollywood films. So 5 years ago, I decided I was finally going to do it. The story I chose, that was one which was closest to my heart, of my own village and its transformation. Every day after work, weekends, holidays were spent working on the script. Now every chance I get, I travel from Doha to Bombay to get my cast, crew and production in place. Only thing is glass is not in that village, so it has to be earthen.
They have the technology of wheel.
Yeah. Of course, just 100 years ago they
Yeah.
So
they are not primitive.
they're not primitive. You started working on the costume, art, team building, getting the right character, right actors and everybody. All those are done. So now we have reached to the second stage, I'll say quarter-final now, where we are finalizing things like art director came with a lot of designs, Preeti came with the costume.
See, I don't have too much to show because everything is under construction. Yeah, see, these are the dhotis which are aged.
This is not khadi, is it khadi?
Yeah, but it's for,
the design wise I find it.
yeah, mixed khadi.
From here on, the next plan we have, apart from the crew meeting each other in between, we are going for the look test and after that, acting workshop for the lead characters. Around 8 o'clock in 1999, I landed in Bombay. And I didn't know anybody here and I didn't know where to go. People in my village used to talk about Juhu Beach. And that's the only place I knew in Bombay. So I took a cab and came to Juhu Beach. And I spent my first night here. My father had given address of Dharavi in a small chet. This is where some of my villagers lived. It was 10 by 10 room with more than 7 or 8 people living in there. And every morning I'll get up and go studio after studio. That was not easy to come. I didn't have any experience. I didn't have much exposure as well. I just learned editing from a small institute in Jamshedpur and came here. So it took almost 3 months for me to find a job of a video editor. Very soon I started getting good offers and all. I started with TV and then moved into film, did some big films like Being Cyrus, Chocolate. You see, my dream was always to become a filmmaker, but I wanted to do a proper preparation, and for last 10 years I've been doing documentary films, and now I feel very confident to do a feature. We're just doing look test today mainly, and Neha, she is our lead actress, and Shadab, our lead actor, Bharat.
The story is extremely close to my heart because I come from Talegaon, which used to be a very small town and now becoming a really big town, and so it relates to the idea of the film.
When I read the script, I was sold right there.
It's beautifully written.
Yeah.
एकदम परफेक्ट हो गया, एकदम सही है. I don't think it is his size. इसका चौड़ाई भी थोड़ा सा हमें ज़्यादा लगा.
जी जी और आप
हाँ, exactly. This is
the khadi or the bundis which we are using wooden buttons in that. Metal was not that much used earlier, only pure khadi and cotton fabrics.
All those characters in my film are real. I know them personally. And for me, it was important to cast actors who need to be famous, as well as have very similar experiences, so they fit in naturally into the character.
After the look test, we did small scenes with each character. Like we did one scene with Bharat and Sango. And we did very intimate scene, just to check if both the lead actors, how comfortable they are with each other. And that was great, in fact. They were meeting first time, but both of them showed how professional they are. In the same way, we did one scene with Vaidji and Mangla. Within 5-10 minutes, both the characters prepared and did amazing delivery.
तुम एक ऐसा खेला खेलेंगे जब में करो जान की नजर पैसा डालिए.
This is our last meeting. From here on, we'll just meet on the set.
लास्ट में झटका मार दिया.
Jamshedpur used to be a small tribal village. From there, it ended up becoming the largest city of this state, Jharkhand. If you see these factories, this used to be a residential compound. It's like almost 24/7, the smoke coming out. Generally, it's very hot in Jamshedpur because of this pollution and the factories. When we were in college, this used to be our hot spot. This was our cinema hall, basically. Now there is none. Thanks to this place and film societies here, I had access to the best cinema from around the world. The land here is very rich, full of natural resources and minerals. And unfortunately, that has been the biggest curse for Jharkhand. Almost the entire state is dug up. People very constantly get moved from their own place. Somehow, it's very connected to my film as well. Almost the same thing is happening there. In the name of freedom, in the name of development, in the name of technology, how slowly and slowly we destroy ourselves. They are men. They have dressed as women. This is part of the festival. ये किस लिए है?
ये हम लोग साल में एक बार मतलब गाँव में घूमते हैं हम लोग.
अच्छा, लेकिन ये ड्रेस इस तरह क्यों की है?
ये ड्रेस है ना, ये आदिवासी की पहचान है.
नहीं वो मुझे पता है, लेकिन ये तो बॉयज है ना, लड़के.
हाँ, तो बॉयज लोग घूमते हैं.
When I came to this village first time, these were not existing. It's a year and a half I'm talking about. So that's why we had selected this village. Even in the other part of the village, there is none of these things. What happened now that most of our locations are here now, and we are showing a village which is secret till the interval. and so we have to somehow hide these things till the interval.
Like every other Bollywood films, my film is also divided in two parts by an interval. In the first part of the film, the village is anonymous, completely cut off from the rest of the world. And in second part, when world reaches to the village.
First time when I came, nobody was speaking to us. It took almost 7th or 8th time when we realized that they can speak Hindi.
चलिए आप एक दो फिर ट्राई कीजिए। हाँ थोड़ा दावा के हाँ इधर इधर अंगुली भी ऐसे ऐसे कीजिए।
अच्छा ये इस पे करना भी है?
हाँ जी ये हारमोनियम जैसे होता है अलग अलग बस ये तो आ गया।
ये फिल्म में बजाएंगे इसको?
हाँ उसको जरूर वो जरूर हो गया सब सब।
Wow. If I have to work so hard for a smoke, I will quit smoking.
Please do. अंकल वो मैच बॉक्स कभी यूज नहीं किए? माचिस
सलाई दो सलाई यूज किया हम। He has a matchbox.
कल प्रधान जी को दिया था सिगरेट ये ऑफर।
He has a lighter
and
matchbox.
सब खत्म नहीं होगा एक बार में, इसलिए सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा यूज करते हैं।
So this is exactly the kind of village I grew up in, which was completely cut off from the rest of the world. We had our own sort of economy, which was, I say, older than the barter system, where everybody did everything for everyone. So like entire community will assemble 3 times a day for breakfast, lunch and dinner. But then government raised, technology raised, development raised, money raised. All the characters in my story are the real characters. I mean, this is exactly the same story I have tried to write, which was already there. I think government has got news of us shooting here, because the only reason I selected this village because it was no modernity had come. There was no electricity or no poles that time. Within a year, road has come, electricity has come. So almost now we are playing a changing game with government. We don't want development for our shoot, and they don't want us to shoot not developed village.
I wanted to use this well as it is.
What? Yeah, when we came for Recce, right? Yeah, exactly.
It's gone.
It's gone. Almost the script is playing, exactly the script is playing out here. So I'm heading towards my parents' place, the village where I grew up. And in last 20 to 25 years, I've been away from this village. But perhaps from outside, I could really gauge the difference. While people are richer, they have got money, but something went missing in the process. And that's why it hurts when I see changing it. When I see people not talking, when I see it's growing into a more or less individualistic society. And I think that was the result. I started writing and I ended up writing a feature film. This is the school. My dad should be there. That's my dad. So this burger tree has huge significance in my life. This was our school, in fact. Our Guruji used to sit there, and I finished my primary education here, right under this tree. This is the place where first time I watched a film. This is where the magic started. seeing Amitabh Bachchan in Muqaddar Ka Sikandar, those moments, and I'll go on acting like him for next 6 months. The nearest cinema hall from here was in Hazaribagh, which is almost 50 kilometers away from here. And I'll bunk my school. I'll do everything. I'll walk. There was no bus or nothing to go there. So I will walk 50 kilometers almost a day to watch a film and then come back here. And the only thing I wanted to become in my life was filmmaker. For last 10 years, I have been making documentary films. But my villagers won't consider me a filmmaker because my documentary doesn't play in the nearest cinema hall, which is still 50 kilometers away. That's also one of the reasons why I want to make a feature film, which can play in the nearest cinema hall, where I can take my villagers and show them, look, the dream which I had started 25 years ago is here.
Kalau
और ठीक हो? चल तो ले चलेगी।
कहाँ जावे? थैंक यू।
चल वहाँ बैठ के उन बतिए बैठ।
अच्छा अच्छा।
ये बैठ। She's 90-year-old. तो अभी अच्छा है कि तब अच्छा ले?
अच्छा तो तब हले सबसे पहले था कि हालांकि कि आपस में हर आदमी एक दूसरे के यहाँ आना जाना खाना पीना कोई तरह के माने ये नहीं, लेकिन अब हर आदमी के पास थोड़ा पैसा हो गया है तो हर आदमी एक दूसरे के देख के जलना, एक दूसरे के देख के उसको ये करना कि ओरा कैसे पीछे करिए, ओरा कैसे परेशान करिए। प्रगति आदमी कर कहाँ रहा ले, करते पढ़ाई लिखाई शिक्षा में कुछ प्रगति मिले लेकिन सोच में प्रगति नहीं मिले।
फिल्म देखने आइएगा?
अरे कैसे नहीं, ये फिल्म क्यों देखते हो? ये ऐसा फिल्म माने जो गाँव में आदमी रहे और गाँव के कहानी और गाँव का भी बीतले फिर एक क्यों देखते? ये तो बड़ा सुंदर माने हर आदमी के एक पर सोचल मजबूर कर देते।
हर एक गाँव की कहानी है।
हर एक गाँव कहानी है तो जब सब गाँव कहानी है तो गाँव वाला आदमी तो ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं, इसलिए कि गाँव वाला आदमी के साथ यह तरी दिक्कत सबकी।
This old lady, she doesn't want to leave this house. सारे इनके बेटे जो है वो छोड़ के चले गए, लेकिन ये इसी घर में रहना चाहती है। This is like close to what it was. A lot of things have changed, like cement flooring has come. There was no cement flooring. The biggest thing which hurts me is this wall, because I used to run from here to the end. Now because that belongs to my another uncle, and both of these uncles have decided to keep a wall so they don't fight. This used to be my room. This one. This has changed its character completely. This is where I used to study and I used to sleep. Rewinding back 20 years, this place was completely different, geography-wise, everything-wise, in fact. It was one of the most self-reliant village. It had its own economy. Everything got produced here. People were happier. There was no religion here. Everybody celebrated every festival. So there is some very fundamental question we need to ask to ourselves. And that's what this film does. I've just put sort of two Indias side by side for people to see and decide which was good or which was bad.
नमस्कार श्याम जी, ये हमारे लोकल फिक्सर हैं यहाँ गांव के।
नमस्ते।
I'll just give you a check of the village. Let's go to your house.
ये हुआ आपका घर। और
ये खाट है जिस पे बैठेंगे?
हाँ, खाट इसी तरह का होगा। बैठिए बैठिए, मजबूत है, कुछ नहीं होगा। हाँ।
It's so nice and low, huh?
All the crew members and entire cast is here today. I took them through all the locations and set. Everybody now knows where basically they belong. This is also a good day for crew and cast to interact with each other.
Oh, Sabash, lovely.
साल हो गया अभी तो ये फिल्म शूटिंग कभी भी यहाँ नहीं हुआ, तो ये पहले बार हुआ। तो गांव वाला को जितना है बहुत खुशी है कि कहाँ बॉम्बे से किधर किस तरह से यहाँ आ गया। हमको भी मालूम नहीं था, गांव का भी मालूम था कि इतना चारों तरफ पहाड़ है, जंगल है, यहाँ आके शूटिंग उसका सर्वे हो गया। तो अभी गाँव वालों को बहुत खुशी है, अच्छा से शूटिंग हो, शांति रूप से शूटिंग हो और गांव का भी प्रोग्रेस होगा, प्रचार होगा, उसी सोच करके ग्रामवासी को सब सहयोग दे रहे हैं।
We have tried our best to look into everything, but I'm sure because location, everything, there will be a lot of inconvenience. But you need to just raise it to right people, and it will get sorted immediately for sure. Every evening we will have a production meeting, and then HODs will discuss together. Let's work hard to make a beautiful one. Pack up.
एक ग्रुप फोटो।
आओ।
This is the day I have been preparing for last 25 years. For last 5 years I have been working on this film. All I have thought, everything I have done in last 5 years mostly was related to this film. Not nervous at all, I think I'm over prepared. So it's a very important day. Everybody thinks I'm a documentary filmmaker, and very often I get to hear, feature film is different. So today is the day, if I prove that film is film, I'm set.
हाँ माँ प्रणाम, एकदम ठीक ठाक है। आज पहला दिन है शूट के, आज से शूटिंग शुरू कर लिए, बस आशीर्वाद दीजिए। तो हमारे फ़ोन जो रहता आउट ऑफ नेटवर्क रहता, कहे कि वो गांव में नेटवर्क न है, वो गांव में नेटवर्क न है, तो चिंता मत करो, ठीक है।
हेलो, एक सोमो का कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ है।
जाने वाले कौन है उसमें?
व्हील में, उसमें 8 सीटिंग है।
8 सीटिंग?
लाइट।
वो तो सबसे पहले पहुंचने चाहिए।
हाँ वही।
अब मैं आऊँ क्या?
हाँ आ सकते हैं, मतलब कितना दूर? आप ज़्यादा दूर तो नहीं है?
These are the things is going to hamper my shoot. Just that you can't control those things. I can have 3 guys. 3.
लगा के आए हैं।
हाँ
सर ने बहुत स्पीच लाया बम्पर उठा
यार
Now everything is here.
सोलर पैनल वाला
Cameras here, lights here. Although I would have liked the lights to have arrived yesterday and they should have unloaded it yesterday, but we're catching up.
स्वेटर पहन लीजिए आप लोग, लेकिन अंदर कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए।
अंदर कुछ नहीं।
और आपने वो अंदर में पहना ना, वो शायद दिखेगा आपका जो पहना है।
ये पैंट खोल दो
आपका दिखेगा वो।
पैंट खोल दो। अंदर में एक पैंट पहना हुआ है। पैंट खोल दो बड़े भाई, पैंट खोल के आ जाओ।
ये सारे मॉडर्न बटन है, प्लास्टिक मॉडर्न बटन है।
दो जनों को रेडी।
Preeti, do we have plastic in the village? What is all this?
प्लास्टिक।
ये क्या है?
I'll just change it.
I found some of the plastic on clothes, so obviously we can't show it, so we had to change it. Some of the saris which I had approved is not here for extras, so somewhere something had changed. Yeah, this is the Muhurut shot where Vajji is preparing for Somras competition with his team. We're hoping we'll finish 2 scenes by 10. Then there is one big scene which we are planning to finish before lunch. If everything goes by the plan, we're good.
Down, 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 down. और थोड़ा और डाउन, 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 बस, बस, बस।
अभी इधर उधर थोड़ा पैन करके दिखाओ।
ना, दिखाओ पैन। अंदर से LED ऐड कर दो। कपड़े में देना छक से। गौतम भाई थोड़ा सा आपके थोड़ा इधर जाइए। हाँ, करेक्ट।
Ready? Silence. Silence. Roll sound.
Rolling.
Roll camera.
Mark. Rolling.
Clap.
18B, shot 1, take 1.
Action.
सांस अंदर लेते जाओ
और पास तो
सांस अंदर
कट ओके या
शहरों में घर बड़े होते हैं ना
स्पेस नहीं है।
Take 3. Action.
Back up.
Of course.
जोहार
बिड़ी को पुंगी बिड़ी और हकू बहो मछली का
ये कौन सी मछली है?
कुचले
हाँ लंबा लंबा
इतना लंबा लंबा रहता है।
ये किस लिए होता है?
आंख से जो खून निकलेगा ये खाने से बंद हो जाएगा।
ये हमको चाहिए था एक दिन के लिए। अच्छा ठीक है। एक हमारा सेटअप है, एक शूट कर रहे हैं हम लोग, तो वहाँ पे ये हम टांगेंगे। और कुछ देखें अब्दुल भाई, ये पकड़ो। बन गया दादा? कितना बना? 2 बन गया, बस 2 ही चाहिए हमको। अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक वो चमगादड़ का पंख लगा हुआ है।
कहाँ?
यहाँ। ठीक है, चला कि नहीं? चला कि नहीं? चल, हाँ यही बोला। ये क्या है? हाँ यही। इससे क्या होगा? मैंने
पेट दर्द
में
पेट दर्द, सिर दर्द।
तो ये भी हमको चाहिए था। ये तो है, हमेशा के लिए नहीं लेंगे। ना हम से शूटिंग करना और ले जाए, फिर ला के दे देंगे आपको, हम कर लेंगे। हाँ ठीक है दादा, चला कि ना?
जोर चला करना है।
जय जी।
हाँ
नमस्कार।
सुबह से फोन कर रही हूँ, रिक्वायरमेंट में हम लोग बोल रहे हैं डफली ढोल वगैरह कुछ नहीं मिलेगा।
डफली ढोल वहाँ है ना, सारा कुछ जो गांव में है वही है ना। आज रिहर्सल कीजिए आप, क्योंकि हमारे पास एक ही दिन है, तो वी शुडंट टेक चांस।
उस दिन आप मेरे को थोड़ा छोड़ दीजिए, मैं अपने हिसाब से उसको पूरा एकदम।
यू आर इन चार्ज जय जी, यू आर इन चार्ज दैट डे, इट्स माई ऑफ। That was my choreographer. She doesn't want me to interfere because she knows I won't let the story change in the song. So yeah, I'll be there. I'll be seeing if everything is all right.
कोई रिहर्सल नहीं है। लाइट कैमरा एक्शन। चलेगा।
टिश्यू पेपर लेके आओ यार।
तो क्या इशू हो रहा है ना, वो अर्थिंग नहीं दे पा रहा है, बिना अर्थिंग के लाइट्स ऑन नहीं होती। तो क्या करें? इसके पास रहता है अर्थिंग के लिए।
मतलब अर्थिंग तो यहाँ से जाना चाहिए, कुछ है नहीं बोलता, हमको मालूम नहीं है। हमारा तो
नॉलेज भी नहीं है इसको।
अरे मुझे पावर मिल नहीं रहा है, इसका क्या प्रॉब्लम?
मिल रहा है, अर्थिंग नहीं मिल रहा है।
हाँ तो क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है? हमें लाइट जलना है ना, मुझे ये थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम, ये देखना है कि कहाँ प्रॉब्लम है।
सर जनरेटर अर्थिंग नहीं बनाएगा, जमीन नहीं अर्थिंग नहीं लोग मांगे, उसके लिए अलग तार दौड़ाना होगा।
जल्दी करो भाई, जो भी करना है जल्दी करो। आज का वो लॉस भरने वाला है, वो लॉस भरने वाला है आज। पैकअप को अनाउंस कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद
वो फिनिश करेंगे तो फिर
पैकअप फॉर द डे गाइस।
We'll do this scene tomorrow in the evening. Yeah, there was a light issue.
इनका माइक निकाल लो ना।
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा
एक्चुअली मेरा नाम जया माँ है। मैं टॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री से आई हुई हूँ, कलकत्ता से। बहुत पुराने ज़माने में जो होली का सिचुएशंस होता था, उसी सिचुएशंस के ऊपर हम लोग इस सॉन्ग को दर्शाने जा रहे हैं। आपको घूंघट मान लो।
अच्छा हाँ। तो एक्चुअली सारी
ये हाँ। और ये 1 2 घूमो, इस तरफ घूमो। हाँ, हाथ को सामने लो। और आईने की तरफ मतलब सोचो कि ये मैं सुंदर हूँ, बहुत सुंदर हूँ। पूरा कंपोजिशंस करो। 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3। आइए, आप ही का इंतजार था। आइए, ये आपका हमेशा पथ दर्शाएंगे। ये उज्जवल है और आप इसी को दिल से फॉलो करते जाओ। 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6। हाँ, ये समझ में आया ना? दोनों तो बिल्कुल अच्छे हैं। एक ही दिन में इतना सारा कॉम्पोजिशन उठा रहे हैं, मतलब उन लोग को सैल्यूट करना चाहिए। अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। थोड़ा सा हम लोग और रिहर्सल्स करेंगे तो और अच्छा होगा। और कल फ्लोर पे जाके देयर रॉक, बिल्कुल लग रहा है कर लेगा।
It's too much pressure. I actually thought it'll be very quiet. Nobody will be here. It'll just be a couple of us and the choreographer. I'll save some face. Clearly, that's not happening today.
It was the need of the story, because in the first half we want to show a festival, how festivals were celebrated in the villages. This is one area where I know nothing almost, choreography. So she is the one who is heading it. We together have been working for last 3 months on this song. It's coming out well.
ये काम कर दिया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। अच्छा से काम करो। बेस्ट ऑफ लक एवरीबॉडी। लेट्स चीयर्स फॉर जमशेदपुर। better doing that. One camera record.
Basically, we are going to the last house, so we don't want to get into the same situation as yesterday. So we are short of sort of a 50-meter cable, so we're bringing the generator here so that we can overcome that.
I am very nervous about the steps, yes. Got a good 4 or 5 hours of rehearsal yesterday, so I think that's going to help. She's great. She's going to take her time and make us do things.
Jai Ma. Bolo Jai Mata Di. Jai Mata Di.
I was kind of hoping all I have to do is just dance. Not only do I have to dance, I have to learn the lyrics and lip sync. Nothing actually happens the way I plan it out. So I know I'll be surprised. So I'm trying to prepare as much as I can.
भाई कलर की थाली लाओ और अपने अपने फेस में 2-2 उंगली से ऐसे ऐसे। नीला मेरे डांसर्स लोग, बड़े बच्चे लोग रेडी, जोर से बोलो। ओके, फेस पे खुशी लाओ, सब खुशी शो क्या है। चलो रेडी।
ওটা বুঝতে পারছেন না, ফোনগুলোকে সাইড করে দাও। সাইড করে দিও, ওটা সাইড। 5 6 7 8 1 action। क्यों अलग जा रहा है? इस बार पूरा फाइनल दिखना चाहिए और सही दिखना चाहिए।
हाथ ले लेता ना तो रुको, पहले शादाब को समझाए। नहीं समझो, समझ गए नहीं, शॉर्ट पे गलत कर रहे हो आप एवरी टाइम। सामने आ जाओ, फिर आपको यहाँ से पीछे घूमना है और हाथ ऊपर उठाना है। 5, 6, now start।
Very nice, very nice.
क्रेन।
Very nice, very nice.
और एक बार करोगे क्रेन।
क्रेन ले आओ भाई।
पानी 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 पानी।
पानी लाओ। पानी। कैमरा।
शिफ्ट टाइम नहीं है मरने का अभी।
ट्रेन को लगे।
136টা शॉट, 1
क्रेन
मैं एडिट कर लूं, भेज दूंगा। इतना भरोसा रखो, माँ के ऊपर खराब नहीं आएगा। डोंट वरी। अभी शेष হচ্ছে এইটুকু অন্তত দাও, ক্রাউড দিচ্ছ না, আবিরটা দাও আর পয়সা বাঁচিও না, পয়সা বাঁচালে এবার আমি মরে যাব।
ये सब मैंने पहले से 50 तो मैंने ये करवा करके पहले से रखा था।
एक एक शॉट में देख रहे क्या जा रहा है।
हाँ तो 80 kg, इसलिए मुझे लग रहा है 80 kg शुड बी गुड इनफ।
इसे बार लगा लेंगे ऐसे। भागो ना यो।
कितना केजी?
250 kg चाहिए था, मेरे पास अभी से 15 kg था, उसके बाद 30 kg लाया।
It's been great. It's been superb, actually. I mean, I think we have achieved a lot in a very short span of time. It's been a very hectic shoot. We have been shooting every day without any break. And I have been working with the crew day in, day out. So we have like bonded in a different way. Like we have become very close. I don't think I've ever seen such a set before.
Okay. पीछे रखा हुआ है.
Frame out. Going for take. Ready?
Yeah.
Roll camera. Action.
We have wrapped up the Gaon schedule. It was 25 days, and these 25 days looks like a lifetime. Lots of ups and downs. Today we are shooting Journey song, and we are doing it guerrilla style shooting. We are just going to the location, doing some shots there, moving to the next location. What happens basically in this song, our character, who is from Bombay, and he is looking for his village, which is a secret village, and all he has got an address somewhere in Jharkhand. So that's why we need to go around the location, and there he has met some sadhus, and he's wearing their dress. He is traveling with them. Fantastic! Done!
और कहाँ से कूदना?
Choti bhai, you're just sitting there.
Final cut! Engage! It's a wrap! And thank you! Welcome!
shoot is done now. I'm happy. At the same time, I'm nervous. I enjoyed every bit so far. The dream I had since childhood is almost done. Now I have to take it to audience. And that makes me nervous. Will people connect to my story? Let's see.